if you would like to know more about the data sources for a specific analyze, you can always look here on the top competitors. So this is a top analysis here. And in top analysis, you have a multiple information. So first of all, you have information about the Google SERPs. So what we found in the SERPs during the time when we crawled the SERPs, about the competitors, what pages they use to rank, what are the structure of the pages, information about the SERP layout, and so on. I will just go very briefly through those informations, but you can always ask us questions if you need more details. Yes. Okay. So first of all, here you have the information about the query difficulty, and also you have a top 100 preview. This is exactly the snapshot of your analysis. So if you are thinking like, oh, why my competitor X it's not visible, or why I have something else, it's always visible here. So always you can check here. This is exactly top 100 preview in the moment when we crawl the data. And also you have information here if we found any page from your domain for this query. So right now you have the best running shoes for long distance on the number 56 in SERPs. So this is surely something that you can improve, or if it's not like for long distance is the same like marathon, probably not. So then you can choose and write new content. Here in the table, you have your competitors. You can get some information about the competitors according to the most data and so on, the title, the length and so on, and the content score. Yes. In the next section, competitor structure, you have the overview how the structure data looks like. And here the structure means the document overview, but also the schema data, the titles, description, headers, and so on. So you have a very detailed information about this. What is the data source from where we have all these informations? Here you have few, if you like, of course, here you have few information about, for example, how long is the articles, or the quality content, yeah, like content language, content quality, and so on. So that's something what can be quite important for you if you build, for example, some kind of reporting. Then the SERP layout and features. This is quite important, especially if you are seeing some correlations. Those correlations can be very easy seen if you are looking for something which is, for example, table data. Yes, so table data will be always when you have the comparison. Like, okay, page product A with product B, page A with page B, and so on. The tabular data, probably everyone will have a table there. So then you can have an idea, okay, if everyone use the table, if everyone, for example, use a form, it will be like, for example, for the form usage will be all the calculations, calculators, and so on. So for example, like how much costs a fuel, that could be for a distance X, that could be a form when you have to fill and calculate. So here you will have some kind of ideas, what should I have and what is missing on my page according to my competitors. And also you can very easy see who, for example, of your competitors is using video on the page. Yes. Or could be like a tables when they compare with the tables. Yes. Okay, so then the related keywords, related searches, related keywords, this is something what is visible as well in the ideas. And then the most probably important information is from where we have the terms and how we calculate the terms importance. Because here we have exactly why we are thinking that the importance of specific terms is high or low. So you have a term in the first column, then importance, and the importance is calculated from the data which is mainly visible in the next columns. So how many competitors have this term in H1, how many in H2, how many times it was used in text, and so on and so on. So as you can see here, it's not so many times used in text, but almost all, on all pages. So it's enough if you use it twice, but it's very important that you use it, and it's quite important that you use it, for example, in title. Yes, so in title, 88% of the pages have the 2022. Okay, so that's are the information that you have here on the top analysis. Thank you.